Today, a devilishly spicy jalapeno burger. So guys, let's do it. So to make this delicious jalapeno burger with a serious kick, we want to start by preparing some extra mature cheddar cheese. So grate out a nice few handfuls of the cheese, pop the cheddar to one side, and then we're going to make our burger patties. So the most important thing when making burgers is you want to use 18% fat beef mince. So first of all, massage the meat together, but don't compress it too much. Once you've brought it all together, another little trick, you want to use a sheet of greaseproof paper, add a small handful of the beef, then spend a few minutes to gently flatten out a burger patty. Make it a bit bigger than the burger buns because it will shrink in the pan, not too thick. We want the burger to be nice and easy to eat, and we're ready to cook our burger. So pop a frying pan on the hob, pop the heat on medium, add a nice generous knob of butter, and we're going to be using some delicious brioche burger buns. And once that butter is melted and lightly foaming, pop in your brioche burger buns. Check the buns every few moments, and we want to get those beautiful golden brown and toasted. As soon as they're ready, get the buns out of the butter, pop them to one side, stick another pan on the heat, turn the heat up as high as it goes, and then you want to season the burger patties with some salt, freshly ground black pepper, flip it over and season the other side, and then once that pan is screaming hot, lay in your burger patty. Soon as it's in, very gently compress it down with a spatula. After a few moments, flip it over, and you want to flip the burger every 20 seconds or so until we've got some beautiful dark brown caramelization. All in all, the burger will take anywhere between 2 and 3 minutes. We want it beautiful and juicy with a great crust on the outside. So keep flipping. Soon as we're nearly there with the patty, you want to chuck in a nice handful of some pickled jalapenos, and then a really generous pinch of some chili flakes. Add a little dash of olive oil, give them a stir, and then you want to lay on your burger cheese slices. Douse the jalapenos in some spicy sriracha chili sauce, and then spoon the jalapenos onto the burger. Finish with a nice sprinkle of your extra mature cheddar cheese, and then you want to stick this under the grill for a few moments until the cheese beautifully melts. This burger packs a serious punch. Soon as the cheese is melted, pop your bun on the plate, lay over your fiery cheeseburger. Finish by popping on the lid, and there we have a seriously spicy jalapeno burger. And all that's left to do is to get stuck in. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.